Hey, day eight into my mental health leave. And today I was just about to start my day. I walked my dog, had my breakfast, and I sat down in front of my computer, was going to do something. And then I saw a comment from Kevin. Thanks, Kevin. Kevin was making a comment on my previous video. And he was asking me whether I have tried, just look it up on YouTube and see whether I can fix my washing machine by myself. And it didn't occur to me that I should do that, but apparently it turned out to be fairly simple if the problem is the belt, just falling off. So I thought I would give it a try. I looked it up. There were some videos on internet, on YouTube, talking about fixing this. I have this Panasonic washing machine. The video was about fixing some other models, but it's more or less the same, I thought. So I thought maybe I can give it a try for my own washing machine. So I did. It took me some effort because I'm alone at home. It took me some effort to get it out of this washing machine setup sink because it's quite heavy. But now I got it. I got it out, and it turns out it is actually fairly simple. Let me show you what it looked like. So this is the washing machine. I already opened the back. So here is where the drum side of the belt, and then here this is the motor, and this is the belt. So let me see. What I just need to do is just put it on. I don't think it's too much difficult job. Let me see. Let me fit it. I think there are some patterns on the inner side of that belt, and I don't think this will be very difficult. Hoi. Here you go. I think I got it on. Okay. I think it's spinning. And that's it. I hope that's it. Yesterday the manufacturer service center contacted me, and they say, yeah, we can arrange someone. It's holiday, so you need to add a little bit of money to, so that we can send people on a weekend and holiday. So I was like, okay, let's do it, because I need my washing machine. And they gave a estimate of how much it may cost if I need to replace some parts. And I think it was around, it's like 300, 400 USD, around that. Yeah, I think it was around 400 USD. So now I guess I save some money. And I don't know yet. We'll need to see whether this machine actually runs. Maybe it doesn't run. Who knows? The day has just started. I thought I would record a video later, but thanks, Kevin. Thanks for reminding me doing this. I don't know why I didn't do it earlier, but I did now. Thank you for reminding me. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put back the back of the washing machine, put it back on, and then by myself move it back into the sink. I need to clean up this sink a little bit. It's quite dirty, honestly. after years of using it without being able to clean it because it's too narrow. I can't reach it. So now it's a good chance to clean up. I'll clean it up. I'll put machine back. Hope I can do it. And then see if it runs. Right. I will actually have to cut the video here. I'll see you in a bit. Oh. So I have went on the internet. I bought a new belt, but I don't think I'll wait for it to arrive. I'll put the machine back and see if it runs for now. If it runs, I'll let it run, and maybe later I'll move it out again and change the belt. But for now, I'll put it back. Okay, this is the plate. Let's try. And let's see. Gonna stop it here. Thank you, Kevin. Thank you so much. This is awesome. You helped me save $400. So this is the important thing. There's a challenge that the universe has presented to you. You can either feel frustrated and dread about it and worry about how do I tackle this challenge, or you can feel empowered. You can feel that you are actually in control. You have the resource to help you tackle the challenge. Today is Christmas Eve. Merry Christmas, everyone. Happy holidays. I'll see you in next video. Bye bye.